Hi again, everyone. Good afternoon po. So, let's try to have this multiplying of rational expressions. So, what are we going to need with this multiplying rational expressions? We need to go back to what we have learned, most especially in multiplying fractions, and also, again, about factoring. So, let's start. What if we have 2 over 3 times 4/5? So, from this given, as simple as you just need to multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators for your fractions. So 2 times 4 and then 3 times 5. You'll have 8 over 15. Meron pa po bang pwedeng i-lowest term dito? Wala na po. So that will be our final answer. And then, what if I have here 4 over 7 times 5 over 6. So from this, we can say that we can have 4 times 5 and then 7 times 6. You'll have 20 over 42. But look, parang meron pa po tayong pwedeng makuha ang lowest term. Both numbers are divisible by what? 2. Very good. And if you divide 2 to both the numerator and denominator, we'll have 10 over 21. Pero actually sa umpisa pa lang meron na tayong pwedeng gawin. As long as yung isa ay nasa numerator at isa ay nasa denominator, na meron kayong pwedeng makita na number na pwedeng i-divide sa kanila pareho, then we can do the cancellation of that one or reducing of that number already. So, tingnan natin, 4 over 7 times 5 over 6. Ano po kaya yung number na nasa numerator at nasa denominator na pwede nating makita na meron silang common na pwedeng i-divide sa kanila? Very good. That's 4 and 6. So both numbers are divisible by 2, and since one is in the numerator and the other one is in the denominator, then we can reduce it already before we multiply para mas maging madali yung multiplication natin. Very good. So, both numbers are divisible by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Meron pa po bang iba? Wala na. So, proceed to multiplication. 2 times 5 is 10. Then 7 times 3 is 21. O, tingnan po ninyo. Pareho tayo ng naging sagot. Tama po ba? So, any of these two solutions will give you the correct answer. Kung saan po kayo masanay, laban nyo yan. Okay? So now, what if we're going to have more of this and it already includes variables? For example, I have a raised to 5 all over 10 times 5 all over a raised to 3. So, pwede nga po natin gawin, it's a raised to 5 times 5 all over 10 and then a cube. So, dyan po, may kita na natin. It's 5 a raised to 5 all over 10 a raised to 3. 5 and 10 are both divisible by 5. Tama po ba? Yes. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And then we also have the same variable. One at the numerator and one at the denominator, so we can do the cancellation. Cancel the variable with the lower exponent and then subtract the exponent of that lower variable or lower exponent to the higher one. So 5 minus 3 will give us 2. So ano na lang po na iwan? We have 1, we have a squared, and then we have 2 for the denominator. So let's write that one, and that will give us an answer of a squared all over 2. So that will be our final answer. But the other thing, sabi nga natin, doon pa lang, habang hindi pa tayo nakakapag-multiply, pwede na nating magawa yung mga pwede nating i-cancel out. As long as one is in the numerator and one is at the denominator. So, tingnan natin. Si 5 sa numerator, si 10 sa denominator. Tama po ba? So, diyan pa lang, pwede na tayo magkaroon ng reducing of the numbers. So, both numbers are divisible by 5. So, 5 divided by 5, 1. 10 divided by 5, 2. Very good. How about the variables? Yes, we have a raised to 5 at the numerator and a raised to 3 at your denominator. So, pwedeng magkaroon ng cancellation. Cancel a cube, subtract it from 5, then that will remain as a squared. So, ano na iwan? A squared, 1, and 2. So, a squared times 1 is simply a squared all over 2 dahil siya na lang ang naiwan. Same answers pa rin po. Tama po ba? Alright, very good. Sige nga po. I want you to try this one. I have 30 b squared all over 6c times 4c squared all over 15b raised to 5. Sige nga po, pakitry po niyan. You can pause this video and then try it on your paper. And now, eto na nga. So, ano po ito? So, 30 and 6 ay pwede ko na pong i-cancel out. Tama po ba? Isang nasa numerator, isang nasa denominator. So, reduce this one. Both numbers are divisible by 6. Very good. So, 30 divided by 6 is 5 and 6 divided by 6 is 1. Galing. Very good na tayo doon. Then, ano pa kaya? O sir, pwede ba po kaya ito, kahit na-reduce ko na siya in lowest term, meron kang 5 tas merong 15? Pwede po, as long as yung isa pa rin ay nasa numerator at isa ay nasa denominator. So, both numbers are divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. 15 divided by 5 is 3. O, meron pa po kaya? Parang wala na. How about the variables? Si b squared nasa numerator, si b raised to 5 denominator. Ay, pwede. So, b squared, cancel, subtract, magiging raised to 3. C squared nasa numerator, c nasa denominator. Ay, pwede ulit. So, c cancel, subtract, magiging raised to 1. So, ano na lang ang naiwan sa atin? We have 1, we have 4c raised to 1, 1, 3, b cube. O, isa-isayin na po natin siya. So, sa taas, 1, 4c raised to 1. 1 times 4c raised to 1 is 4c, or simply 4c na lang po yan. And then sa denominator, it will be 3b cubed. So, that will be our final answer. So, do we have the same answer? Very good. Okay. So, what if we have this kind of given? We have 3d all over 3f minus 12 times 4f minus 16 all over 12d raised to 4. Paano po yan? Eh sir, meron na po itong may minus na rin po dito. So what we can do for that one is to start off with the factoring muna. Okay? So factor out muna tayo. 3d will still be 3d. How about in your denominator? 3f minus 12. So we can use factoring by GCF. So the factor is 3 GCF, and then what will remain inside is f minus 4. Very good. Times. Or how about the numerator? It will be 4 times f minus 4 all over 12d raised to 4. Oh, maka-cancel out natin yun nasa loob ng quantity kasi pareho sila. And then how about this? Oh, may 3, cancel. Parehong-pareho. 4 and 12. Yes. Both numbers are divisible by 4. So this will be 1 and this will be 3. Ito po, d and d raised to 4. So yung d makakancel, minus 1 magiging 3. So ano na lang po naiwan? May naiwan pa po bang iba sa taas? Hindi pwedeng wala. So write 1 and then all over 3d cube. And that will be our final answer. Okay? And meron pa tayo. So talagang we are going to apply this factoring na po. So for example, I have x squared minus 4 all over 2x minus 4 times x squared plus 5x plus 4, then x squared plus 3x plus 2. O, tingnan po natin. O, try this one. I-factor out nyo muna to. You can pause the video. And then, after factoring, ano po kaya yung kalalabasan yan? X squared minus 4 will give us the factors of x plus 2 and x minus 2. Very good. Then denominator, 2 times the quantity of x minus 2. How about the other one? It will be x plus 4 and the quantity of x plus 1. And last but not the least is x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 1. Alright. O, tingnan na natin. Meron bang mga variable na nasa numerator, nasa denominator na pwede natin cancel out? Yes. So, x minus 2 and x minus 2, x plus 1 and x plus 1. Ito po kaya, sir. X plus 2 and x plus 2. Sabi nga natin, as long as 1 is in the denominator and 1 is in the numerator, we can do the cancellation. At we can cancel that out. Ano na lang ang naiwan sa atin? It's x plus 4 over 2. Sir, cancel out si 2 at saka si 4. That's a big no. Kasi po, 4 is part of the expression x plus 4. So, hindi natin pwedeng i-cancel out yan as long as it is part of the given quantity. Unless, under multiplication sila pareho. Kunyari, x times 4 or 4x, then 2, doon maka-cancel out. But for this one, this will be our final answer. So hope this video will help you in understanding multiplying rational expressions. Thank you so much po.